What if we could change the way good ideas are brought to life? What if we could bring together the people, resources and skills needed to transform our society for the better? At EIT Manufacturing, we're here to make it happen. Our mission is to promote talent and entrepreneurship to accelerate sustainable innovation across Europe. And we want you to be a part of it. Each year, we invite organisations like yours to participate in our call for proposals. It's our way of empowering innovators, startups, scale-ups, businesses, research centres, RTOs and universities with ideas for a brighter manufacturing future. During our call, we look for 12-month proposals to be implemented by consortia that will make European manufacturing more sustainable, resilient and competitive. If your project is selected, we'll provide funding and support bringing results to market. The call is divided into 3 areas: innovation, education, and the Regional Innovation Scheme. Each area covers topics like artificial intelligence, resilient and human-centric solutions, digital innovation, inclusiveness, sustainability, and upskilling and reskilling. The best part is that anyone can submit an idea, and if you need help refining your concept or finding the right partners, you can participate in our info sessions, networking events, and workshops. Through our matchmaking event and innovation community platform, Agora, you can be sure to find the ideal team for your proposal. The matchmaking event officially opens the submission period. Once the call closes, we verify that they meet all the administrative requirements, deadlines, forms, attachments, and adherence to the rules. Proposals are then evaluated by a panel of external experts according to the criteria outlined in the guidelines. Shortlisted proposals will be included in the strategic assessment done by EIT Manufacturing. Remember, before you hit the submit button, double-check the application criteria. Your proposal should align with our strategic goals, meet KPIs, and may require a technology readiness level and financial strategy. So, do you have an idea for a brighter manufacturing future? Join our call for proposals. For more information on this year's themes, how to apply, and call guidelines, visit eitmanufacturing.eu.